Today we have to discuss about DML statement, that is a data definition language. In yesterday's we have to discuss about that is a data definition language. So in that we have to study about create tables, then we have to study about drop command, then we can discuss alter commands. When alter command is nothing but you want to add one more column, so that time one column is you can add it, so you can use the ADD add keyword. If you want to change the size of your related, just the size of your data type, that time you can use the modify. And today we have to discuss the data manipulation language. So with help of the insert command, update and deletes commands. Uh, in yesterday's, we have to discuss how we can use what is the syntax of your drop command is a drop table then semicolon. So indirectly is a drop table and table name. So create table, so that time the student table is there. If you want to all the structure you can create it. If you want to delete, so that case you have to write a drop stable and student, just you can give the semicolon. So this is the end of statement. Every statement is required the semicolon. So with help of the structure to be deleted, your object to be deleted. Another thing is there truncate commands. This command is used to delete all the rows from the table, free the space containing the table, truncate table name. So with help of that, one we can enter means we have to insert the record, and after that you contain record is there. And if you want to delete the record, if you give the primary key for the your one particular field, so that case what you enter the next record for after the 10. So that time what 11 number is generated. And before that you have to delete your 5 records, so that time start from the 11th record. That thing is avoided with an truncate command. Truncate command, nothing, 5 record is you can delete it, so it's a delete command. So that time the log is creating, so that time your next record will be start from the begin within a 6 number. If you want to erase all the records within your log file, so that time truncate is important. Truncate, nothing but delete all record with having the log to be deleted. It is a free space for containing the table. Whatever the record inside there, so with help of you can all record to be truncated is deleted. The same syntax is there, truncate table and your table name as student, and just you have to give the semicolon. So with help of you can use as your DDL command. And today we have to discuss about how you can use the data manipulation language, that is the DML commands. So you create the table, you alter the table, and if you want to insert my record inside my table, so as a student, as your customer, so that get how we can insert it. So DML commands are those frequently used in SQL commands is used to query and manipulate existing database object. Some of the commands are insert, delete, update, and related. What we can say that insert, select, update, and delete it. So one by one, we can see the what is the syntax and how we can utilize that one. So insert, this is a use to add one more rows into table. The values are separated from comma and data types, that is character, date enclosed in a apostrophe. The values must be entered in the same order they had to define. If you want to enter the record same like in C++, so that time you have to enter the record with a double quotation. So that value is take as a string. Same thing is there, but there is a single apostrophe is there, opening for the and closing the apostrophe is required. You can close your string. Select command is used to retrieve the information from the table. Is generally referred to as querying the tables. We can either display all the column tables, only specify the column from the table. Update commands. Update command is used to alter the column values in a table. Single column may be updated or more than one column could be updated. So with help of the update command, nothing but we want to change something, the name changes, your roll number changes, you can change your class, so that time you can use the update command. Another thing is the delete command. Delete command is nothing but you can delete your record. So that case you can delete command is used. After inserting the row in a table, we can also delete them if required. Delete command is consists from the clause followed by the optional where the clause is there. How you can use the insert command in SQL? Insert statement is use insert tuples or records into create tables relation. We specify the list of the comma separate by the column values which must in the same order as the column in the table. Insert character data. We must enclose into single quote, that is the apostrophes. Single quotes part of the string value inserted then preceded with an black slash. Backslash is nothing but you have to enter the one more record is there, so that case we can use there. When we do not have the value every column, the table data given insert in not in the same column order as the table, we specify the column names and also along with and values. Many way we have to insert the record. One thing is there, you directly enter the record. Another thing is there, if you have to give the sequence, whatever record you want to read there, so just you have to write the column name and then you can enter your record. So this is the procedure we have to enter the record. As example, insert into table name and values. Value is nothing but list of values you can insert it. As example, insert into as a student and the values you can put as a values. Then a string value should be right as your name, roll number, and this is a mobile phone. This is your DBMS Java. So in yesterday's program, what we create the table. Inside the table, what we can add there, the same thing is there. Related your names, roll number, and phone number. Then you can add the DBMS, Java, Unix, and CPP. So this is the name of the subject. With help of that, you can enter that record as the DBMS, Java, Unix, and CPP. After this, what we can do that insert into the table name as student value is nothing but you can enter the Raj, this roll number, mobile phone, this is a numeric value you can enter that, and the value of that subject is the 60, 19, 89, 19, then semicolon. This Raj is nothing but that name is belong to varchar 2 and the length is a 10 character you can enter it. After inserting, you want to enter the mode record, then you can use a backslash. So with help of that record, once again, you can enter it. If you want to enter the multiple value, the same thing in row by row, you enter the record. It is a complicated work. So what is what we can use shortcutly, we can enter the multiple record you can enter. So that case, there is another syntax for the insert command, insert into student values. Then you can write means then ampersand sign. Before the string is there, so you can write a single apostrophe and closing apostrophe is there. And then after comma, and then roll number, phone number, then DBMS subject you can enter. This also, if you want to insert, so the same thing is required the ampersand sign of DBMS, ampersand Java, ampersand Unix, and ampersand as a CPP. So with help of that, your record will be entering. So that time you have to every time you can backslash is there. First record you can enter, the second time you can enter it, the third time you enter. Whatever you need, the 10 record, 100 record, thousands record, you can insert in that way. So relate what query is for that. Write a program in SQL, insert the 10 records in a student. So that case, how we can write insert into student values. Then you can write a name, roll number, phone. At the same ampersand sign is required for the DBMS, Java, Unix, and CPP. So in that way, we have to insert all the 10 times backslash you can enter and 10 times you can enter one by one. At least 10 record you can enter with this one. But what is the issue that if you want to add another things, I want to calculate my total and percentage. So that field is not available inside the table of the student. So that case, I want to add two columns. So that case, I have to how you can write it. So there is a alter command is there, alter table name add. This is a keyword is used for to add the column the total number 3 per that is a percentage number 4 comma 2 the 76 80.60 then your 90.91.00. So that case we have to use the number that is the fraction number is required within the 4 number is there. So that case 4 comma t is used. Skipping insert into table name the column name if you want to skip the field while inserting the record. Some field is there if you want to skip that one, so that time default is having a null value. So that case, how we can skip that one? Just you can write insert into table name, then column name to which data is to be inserted, value list of the values. Whatever you want to enter the record or some field, some values you can skip it. So with help of you can skip it. There is no issue about this one. So this is the way we have to insert the record. Insert is having the many way you can insert there. Single value you can enter. You can multiple value insert. So ampersand sign is required, and then you can skip the one column. So that case you can mention about the in a parenthesis you can mention what column and how many record you can enter it. Another select command is there. Selects all rows from the table. Syntax is a select column name from table name where the column and operators values. So in this case, what we can do select from table from the table is student. Select command is nothing but just you want to see the record. The same relation algebra, so that time you need see the record of that. So pi symbol is used. Same thing is a select operation. Select operation nothing but whatever the column you want to visualize your record. So that case I have to use a select and a column and from the table name. If you want to give the some condition, so that time you have to need the some operator. So my salary, otherwise I want to check my roll number from 1 to 10. So I have to give the conditions on the basis of where clause. If you want to check the how much record of your roll number 1, so I have to write select star from table name and then where roll number equal to 1. I want to check the name of people, so find out the record where the name is equal to Raj. So on the basis I have to retrieve the record. The same thing, select star. Star is nothing but entire column. So it is not need that every column you can mention it. Just you can asterisk sign. Asterisk has nothing but inside the table how many column is there, on the basis all record will be visualized. So that case I have to use select star from my student. Retrieve the specified column from the tables. Retrieve the specified column from the table. Select column name from the table. So this is the way I want to see the only the two columns record. So that case I have to use a select name phone number from student. So on the basis I visualize the record. So in this case I want to give the some condition. So that case I use the where clause. Where is the clause on the basis of you have to retrieve the record. So where, so that time there is a operator is used equal to less than greater than and less than equal to. So not some version of SQL operator maybe is written as a not equal to. Not equal to, the symbol is used, otherwise just you can exclamatory equal to symbol. So with the help of that you have to use for that not equal to. So this condition also you can specify and greater than. So this is the operator I have to use for with help of the syntax is aware. If you want to give the condition, I want to retrieve the record of particular person. So on the basis of the record will be visual on the basis of where clause. So that time operator you can use for to retrieve the records. Then less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to. Then another the good thing is there you want to between operator you have to use a like operator and in operator. So all things are one by one is used. If you want to give the range, so I want to check that whether that a student is age 10 to 15, this range I want to see that between operator is used. Like is nothing but I want to search the name of a particular name is begin with a alphabet as a S alphabet as a Sunny and then Suraj, that name I want to find it. So that time like operator is used. In is nothing but you have to give the within some record you want to specify. So on the basis of record you can retrieve the record. Another query, write a program as will display the student record. So I have to write a select star from my student. Elimination duplicate record from the select clause. So prevent retrieve the duplicate. If you want some record within a table, there is multiple record is having the repetition, that is duplication. So that time the keyword is used, select distinct keyword is used in within a select. then column name. Whatever the repeated record is having the skip from that. So that time use a distinct keyword. Select command with where clause. Select specify the row the table include where clause. The select command is appear only after from the clause. Select column name, then column name from the table name where the condition. Select roll number from roll number and name from the student where the roll number is 1. So on the basis of record is visualized with a name with a roll number. So with those roll number having the 1. If you want to all the record and subject and all record is visualized. So in this case I write a star from student where roll number is 1. Entire record which we retrieve from this roll number having the 1. Another things, one of the table is there, table name is employee, that is EMP. So within that, I want to select the record of employee number, then EMP name, where salary is 4,000. Those employee having the salary is more than 5,000. So on the basis of we have to find out the those employee number and then his employee name. So on the basis of we have to retrieve the all record. This is an query on the basis of record will be visualized on the basis of this query. Right program in SQL display the those student whose roll number is 10. So that case I have to write roll number name from student roll number is 10. Entire record will be visualized the roll number and name those having the roll number is 10. In operator. Previous we have to discuss the operator as a like operator, then you have to between operator and in operator. How you can use it? So that case there is a required the clause is where clause is required, and after that the column name then you can use the in operator. Syntax is a column name from table name column name in the value is 1 and 2. So with help of the record is visualized. We have to see the example where the writer program in SQL display the student who's having the roll number 2, 5, 7. So the 100 record is there within my table. So that case only the record is visualized. 2 records, the 5 records, 7. So only the 3 record is visualized on the basis of select command. Select command on the basis of the all 3 record is visualized. So that case use MySQL. Another case concept of the order by clause. Order by clause nothing but if you want to record is visualizing ascending order, descending order. So that case the keyword is required, that is ESC and ESC. Default order by you want to some you have to insert the record in a randomly. When you insert the record 1 then 5 10 20 this record you can enter it. So that time it is not sequentially visualizing. So that case I have tried select star from my table name and order by and column name as roll number. So all record is having the ascending order. A default is ascending order. If you want to record is displaying descending order, so that you have to explicitly declare as a DESC. So DESC nothing but all the record is visualized in a descending order. So DESC is used for the your descending order of your record. Order by clause. So how we can use that? Write a program in SQL display the roll number ascending order and descending order. Select the name roll number from the student. Order by. This is a reservoir. This is the actual keyword. So order by and then you can write a roll number. So all record is having the ascending order. If you want to record is a display in a descending order, then you can write a DESC. Selects from student order by roll and then you can write a DESC. DESC is nothing but descending order of your record. Another thing is there between operator. Between operator is select the values within a range. Value is the number is a text and date. So select from column name from the table. Then column name between. Then you can put it another keyword between and. So these two thing is there. So on the basis of your record is a value display on the basis of values 1 and value 2. So this is how we can display the record. So select star from SQL, display all the record roll number between 10 to 5 to 10. So you have to give the your between operator. Previously just you have to in operator, you have to give the comma for that. So in operator, you can write a 2, comma 5 and 7. But there is a could not give the range. If you want to give the range, so that case you have to write between operator and then bracket 5 and 10. So on the basis of record is visualizing from 5 to 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 till the 10 record is visualizing. So in this is where we have to discuss about and between operator. Rest of things we have to discuss later.